Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Remember we have the questions going on, so type in a question if you need to know something. We are going to do a video about that in the future. So today we're going to be talking about colors and objects.
Okay, today we talk about colors and objects. We talk about rangi. We've just done the video and we noticed that our heads are not in the video, so we're shooting this again. Okay? We love you. Thank you. Let's start. So let's talk about the color ratiglo. Now ratiglo means bluish green or greenish blue. So ratiglo, bluish green or greenish blue.
In English, you can call it either teal or turquoise.
Hey, what do I say? Then we have the color red, and red is called rakwar or rakwaro. Now, the difference is this. If it's a living thing and it's red, for example, a cockerel or something that is red, then you'd say rakwaro. But if it's dead, like a pen, you just say rakwar. So you say rakwar.
Rakwar. Rakwaro.
Rakwaro.
Rakwar.
You have to say so that you can.
Rakwar. Rakwaro.
Rakwaro.
Rakwar.
Rakwaro.
Rakwar.
No, rakwaro. Say rakwaro.
Rakwaro.
Yes, rakwaro. Correct. Then there is rapenda.
Rapenda.
Rapenda. Now, if you've seen an antelope or something brown, like a camel, you know a camel?
Yes, I do.
If you've seen a camel, like an antelope, something like, they have this color. So this is rapenda. Yeah. This color is rapenda. This might not be the exact color, but we're just giving you an idea of what it looks like. Yeah. Okay? Say rapenda.
Rapenda.
Rapenda, correct. Then we move on to nanga ma majan or nanga ma ralum. Remember, ralum or majan is green. So this is green here. You can see this green here. So if you have a cloth is nanga. A green cloth, you'd say nanga ma majan or nanga ma ralum. Loom is the name of grass. So the green for the grass, that color is what we call ralum or majan. Say ralum.
Ralum.
Or
majan.
So say ralum kata majan.
Maroon.
Not maroon. Ralum.
Ralum kata majan.
Majan, correct. Now we move on to this. That is rating. Say rating.
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 So this is kalam ma rating. Say that.
Rating.
Kalam ma rating.
Kalam ma rating.
So this is kalam ma rating, a black pen. Okay? Then ratong. Say ratong.
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 What is ratong?
A banana.
What is banana in Luo?
Ratong.
No, what is it? How do you call a banana in Luo?
Rakwaro.
What?
Rabol.
No, rabolo.
Rabolo.
So this is rabolo. Rabolo maratong.
Rabolo maratong.
So rabolo maratong. But you can see that this one has a little bit of brown. So you'd say rabolo maratong moduongo rabuor.
Rabolo maratong
Moduongo
rabuor.
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 Rabolo maratong moduongo rabuor.
Rabolo maratong
Moduongo
rabuor.
So that means dotted. Moduongo is dotted. Did I write moduongo in the other video?
No.
Rabolo maratong moduongo. Let me just write it here so that you know. Moduongo. Moduongo rabur, like that. Moduongo rabur. Okay. Then we move on to sati maratiglo. Say sati maratiglo.
Sati maratiglo.
Sati maratiglo. Remember sati is short. You can see we just removed a few words and rearranged it to get sat. Sati. Sati maratiglo. So this is a blue. This is not a shirt, but just to give you the idea. A blue ratiglo shirt. Then
oh, you forgot to do a book.
Ratiglo. Oh, sorry. Book ratiglo. Right here. Book ratiglo. So this is book, a blue book. Book ratiglo. This is a color of blue. Book ratiglo. Thank you. Then there is this, a brown cloth. And the brown cloth will be nanga. Cloth is nanga.
Nanga.
So, nanga marabur.
Nanga marabur.
Nanga marabur.
Nanga marabur.
Yes. And remember, again in cloth, in rabur, there is rabur and there is dibuoro. So dibuoro?
Diboro.
Dibuoro is the color, the brownness of a cow. You see a cow? So if you see a brown cow, it is actually dibuoro. It's not rabur now, it's dibuoro. But if you see just a cloth, a person would be dibuoro. No, that's a different story. But a cow would be dibuoro, okay? Then chupa majan or chupa ralum. Chupa majan. Say chupa majan.
Chupa majan.
Or
chupa maralum.
Good. Then we move on to okombe marachar. Okombe marachar. Where is okombe marachar? Okombe. Okombe comes from the word cup or kikombe in Swahili. So okombe marachar. Rachar is white. Okombe marachar. Okombe maonge rangi. Okombe maonge rangi. So it's a cup with no color. A colorless cup. Okombe maonge rangi. Okapu manigi rangi mang'eny.
Okapu manigi rangi mang'eny.
Okapu manigi rangi mang'eny. That would be a colorful basket.
No.
A colorful basket or bag. A colorful basket would be okapu manigi rangi mang'eny. Alright? Kalam marakwar. Kalam marateng. Okay? Good. So, Nikki will finish up. Please subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And also remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that we post. You can follow us on Facebook and on Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. And remember to type in some questions in the comment section down below.
Here. No, here. Here.
Yes.
And where? Here?
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Here.
Oh, yes. Oriti, goodbye for now.
Remember we say oriti. Oriti is bye. So oriti. Can you bring oriti?
Yeah.
Oriti, like this. Oriti. Bye. Like that. Oriti. is bye.